All right, Kickstarter community, we need to get this gather grill off the ground. So I want to show you a few things. The first thing is this charcoal grate. And the idea behind that is you want airflow coming in from the bottom. You just sit it in there like that. I just often use these little starter blocks. One of the simplest ways is to put your starter block down there like that and then just start building a little teepee. So that's pretty much it. I want to make sure my baffle is open down here, and that's going to allow air to come through and then come up into this perforated charcoal grate. These are stainless steel ball bearings. This grill has actually been cooked on about 12 times, and these ball bearings here, they can get a little smoke and grease on them, but all you have to do is clean them with Dawn or anything that cuts grease. Then you just wash it out with water. You probably need to do that about every couple of times you cook. And then we put the grate on top. You can temperature regulate not only by spinning the grate, but the other thing is you can build a hotter fire in the center and then have your sear heat, and then you can use the edges as a place to rest, or you can just take it off, either way. The charcoal grate, this is all made out of 304 stainless steel. It still seasons, but you don't have to worry about it. You can leave it out, it can rain on it. It doesn't matter, it'll get black. But if you don't want it to get black, I just went to the hardware store and picked up a few toys. I think that works pretty good. So these wings, very simple. If you're wondering how in the heck do you transport this thing, there's a little screw here. You do it by hand, you don't even need a wrench. That comes off like that. All right, guys, it is time. We have got more food than I am gonna be able to eat, but it's gonna be fun to cook. So we got pineapple, corn, salmon, and tuna, steak, blue cheeseburgers. My mom told me that grilled beets are really good. I've never had them, but I ate a raw one in there and it tasted like a combination of something really awesome and dirt. It is ready to go. We're also going to take a cup of water, and then I take my spatula here and just push it down into this hole, which is also doubles as our handle. Now, time to go cooking. I'm just simply using ground pepper and kosher salt. All right, at this point, we are gonna put them on and get our veggies going. So we're gonna get our skillet saturated here, as Gordon Ramsay would say. On with the asparagus. Mom, I give you a shout out. If these are good, I'm gonna give you all the credit. And our steak and burgers are getting really close. All right, ready for the show?
Ready, man, do it.
We're gonna do our Ahi Tuna. Give it a smell. What do you think?
Smells pretty good.
It
Yeah.
does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So our tomatoes are almost ready. So one thing about this edge on this skillet, the edge is critical because it helps you pick stuff up. We'll clean this in a minute, but one of the things I love about this grill is just you don't have to worry about it. You push stuff down in this hole. You can even push grease down in the hole. All right. Give it a try if you want. Eat like cavemen instead of sitting around.
Ooh, that is good.
That good? So that is good to go. Now I didn't read the directions, but I have made enough apple pies in my day. So we're just gonna use a flagstone and we're gonna put our pie on top of it. And now Mom, you told me that grilled beets were really, really good. I'm gonna say it's good because you're my mom, but he's gonna be truthful, so
I have faith in Mama Strange.
Okay.
She's right, she's right.
Good job, Mom.
Not bad, it needs to be cooked more. See, that's what makes it easy, we just throw it back on there.
We've got our apple pie that's been sitting in here at exactly 400 degrees. Drum roll, could I get a drum roll? All right! Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. I have all my hot over there, I've got my cool over here, and now I can run this over and let it sit off the heat. So hopefully you guys can see the versatility. We cooked multiple things on the skillet, multiple things on the bar. We can slow cook on this as well. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy cooking.